The 2011 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel ABS, cruise control, FWD, security system, security package, rear window defroster, dual zone climate control, folding rear seats, ventilated front disc brakes, brake assist, vehicle stability assist, daytime running lamps, cargo area light, halogen headlamps, power outlets, map lights, emergency trunk release, tilt steering wheel, door pockets, compact spare tire. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.